Are you looking for the best cheap cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Kicteck Video Camera Camcorder. This camcorder definitely provides you with fantastic video quality, as you can record your videos in up to full HD resolution at 15 fps. Moreover, it can also record 30 fps videos, but you will have to lower the resolution to 720p for it. Even in terms of taking photographs, its 24MP camera sensor shines and lets you capture crystal clear photographs. Moreover, this camcorder comes with a 3 inches LCD screen that also supports up to 270 degrees rotation, which helps you comfortably see the recording previews, even if you are vlogging. Speaking of its other features, this camera supports up to 16x digital zoom, and also has a built-in fill light, and multiple other features like anti-shaking, face capture, and webcam function too. If we talk about the battery life, this camcorder comes with two 1500 mAh 3.7 volts rechargeable batteries, each of which can offer up to 60-90 minutes of usage time, which is great. In fact, this digital camcorder can support storage SD cards up to 128 GB max, which is quite impressive. As for the warranty, Kicteck offers its customers a 1-year warranty for this camera option. Number 2. Kimire Video Camera Camcorder. Next up on the list, we have another amazing camcorder option from Kimire, which is one of the most popular camera brands out there, well known for selling affordable camera options. Starting with the main features of this video camera, the max supported video resolution of this camera is Full HD 1080p at 15 fps. And even supports other video resolutions such as HD 720p at 30 fps, and more. Apart from that, the video camera features a brilliant 24MP photo sensor, hence, you can even use it to capture some amazing pictures while recording your videos. Moreover, if we talk about its screen, this camera boasts a 3 inches LCD screen which you can simply rotate up to 270 degrees as well. In addition to that, you will be surprised to know that this camera provides you with up to 16x digital zoom, which is pretty decent. In fact, this is a multi-purpose camcorder device, since it comes with a variety of features like webcam function, beauty function, face capture, etc. All these additional features make using this camera a lot easier even for beginners. Number 3. SEREE Video Camera Camcorder. SEREE, renowned for crafting user-friendly digital video solutions, introduces the video camera camcorder, a versatile device designed for capturing life's moments with clarity and precision. Ideal for a range of uses from family events to professional videography, this camcorder delivers full HD 1080p videos at 30 fps and stunning 24MP photos. It features a 3.0-inch IPS screen, 16x digital zoom, and ear night vision, enabling clear recording in low light conditions. The camcorder is compatible with external microphones and fill lights, enhancing audio-visual quality, and offers expandable storage up to 128 GB via SD card. Additionally, it functions as a webcam for live streaming or video chats when connected to a PC. Number 4. ALSONE Video Camera Camcorder. ALSONE, a brand known for its accessible digital camera technology, introduces the video camera camcorder, tailored for beginners and amateur users. This compact camcorder is equipped with an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor, capable of recording 1080p videos at 30 fps and 720p at 60 fps, ensuring vibrant and realistic footage. Featuring a 3-inch screen with 1x optical zoom, it's perfect for various filming needs. From selfies to amateur videography. The device includes both built-in and external microphones for enhanced sound quality and comes with a handy remote control. Its multifunctionality extends to features like face and smile detection, anti-shake, time-lapse recording, and a 270-degree rotatable LCD screen for creative shooting angles. Number 5. Aasonida Video Camera Camcorder. In case you want to purchase a slightly premium camcorder for yourself, but still want to keep it under the budget, Aasonida is quite a good brand choice to go with. For those people who want a camera for vlogging, this camcorder comes with an external microphone already attached to it, which will be giving you a great advantage. Apart from that, the performance of the camera is quite brilliant. Thanks to its 24MP CMOS sensor, it can simply take high-quality photos and videos for you with amazing detailing. In fact, the max video resolution supported by this camcorder is Full HD 1080p at 30 fps, which is quite impressive. Apart from that, you also get a pause and selfie function on this camera, and thanks to the 3-inch 270-degree rotation screen and built-in filling light, you can comfortably use this camera to record yourself and make some interesting vlogs.